can't you see?
Hey ant, will you be mine? I'll mix you with carmine.
Am I going to die?
Yes.
Whoosh, the ant was dead on the rock, and lipstick was made.
This is the context of lipstick coming into existence.
Wait. What do you mean by context?
Context is basically background knowledge to an object or situation. कुछ sense गई?
आपसे ना हो पाएगा दोस्त.
अरे रुक यार. I'll introduce you to the context का best friend, design. Design is essentially the creative process of problem solving, giving a more attractive spin to developing efficient products. It is a polished impression of how we view and understand our environment and how we adapt to it. You know how humans have been using stones and tools for millions of years, right? I mean, they would serve a basic purpose, but if you could
add a little bit of spice,
it can become Leatherman wrapped a Mark II multifunction surgical scissors. And this little spice is what you call design.
Design is everywhere. From the lipstick you applied in the morning to the chai ki chuski you are having. But design also evolves. Could be in material or the form. Let's take an example of the cup in which you are having tea and you just dropped your Parle-G. Let's have a look at the material journey of a cup. It started from metal, jumped to ceramic, gradually to mud and glass. It is not just changes in materials that took place, the form also evolved. Glass cup, customized cups, plastic cups, tea cups, steel cups, and so on. Remember Pythagoras from your math class? His peers were really fond of wine. They greedily got their cups overfilled. Well, he had to come up with some solution. A need to change the design was felt, and he came up with a cup which looked something like this.
You get it now? How background stories are a part of context of design? Context is the setting or background in which something occurs. It's hard to understand something completely without knowing the context. It's the circumstances or environment of the product or statement which influences its occurrence.
Big brain, I must say. चले चलो.
क्या आपके साथ भी कभी ऐसा हुआ है? Have you ever wondered why these doors are that way? It's hard to understand at first, but these doors are an example of classic bad design.
See, that's the thing about design. You almost never see it when it's good. And this is where ergonomics comes into play. Ergonomic design makes the user more efficient and productive. It is a gradual process of refining the design of products to optimize them for our use. Good ergonomic design enables the user to use a tool almost as if it's a part of them.
User?
The user is the one who has the authority to consume a good or services to solve a problem or to obtain a benefit. A user may or may not be the actual buyer of the product. For instance, James Chesterman, who belonged to the fashion industry, felt the need to measure a cloth piece more accurately. So he found leftover hoop skirts wires and made the tape measure for himself, and from maker he became the user.
You talked about ergonomics of objects. You also mentioned the maker and user, evolution of material, form and formation, and also mundane to magnificent. So basically, this is the context in design.
But is it the context that leads to design, or is it the design that creates the context?